This is my drink for today. Japanese sliver. This is new for me, so I need to try. Yummy, I think. Looks like yummy. Guys, this is new drinks. Japanese sliver, so I need to try. Different.
You didn't like it. You were like...
So guys, dito kami ngayon sa Corbett Cloud Italian restaurant. This is my first time to sorry, I tell lie. This is my second time for Italian restaurant. First is last year on my birthday, pero ngayong sa restaurant na to, first time ko. Favorite ata to ng anak ko na si Jade. Is this your favorite restaurant? No? I tell lie again. So this is our lunch date with my daughter. I show you. Thank you, darling. Say hello. Say, she treat me for lunch. Invite me for lunch. You are not at work, you are not at school?
At school tomorrow.
Tomorrow. So, inano niya ako ng lunch. So, flex ko na lang kayo guys pag dumating ng aming order. At sa pagkatapos daw namin dito, dadalhin niya ako sa what is that? Kochi? Ha? Yochi is a frozen yogurt. So I will try. It's first time again for me for that thing. But I can't pronounce properly because I'm Bisaya and they will laugh at me. Bastos. Flex lang guys. Ayan ang ham and mushroom pizza. Carbonara. What's carbonara?
Pasta?
Carbonara pasta. So yan ang order namin. Pero ang pizza parang hindi ko type. So ngayon guys, kakain ako. So ito kakain ka. Masarap. Ang lambot ng base niya. Malambot. Hindi gaya noon sa pizza ng Bahay Hotel. Ang base niya ang tigas-tigas, hindi namin nakain. Pag nakapustiso ka, bali yung pustiso mo. Kaya ito masarap. My daughter said we order two food, but we share its food. But I show you guys what happened for the other food that she wants to share me. Look at this one. Is that sharing? If I didn't tell her, I thought we share. She doesn't give me this. A very tiny leftover so I can try what it tastes what it tastes like. My goodness. But look at my pizza. See? She have more food than I can have. Oh, terrible. Diba? Very tiny. So now I try, guys, what it tastes like. It's okay. No harm feeling, Jake.
Huh?
It's okay.
So you're not mad?
No. No harm feeling. She said that at least I try. Even a tiny one I try that it's okay, I try. It's not really that good anyway. Sorry. I like the pizza. So ito yung restaurant na kinakainan namin. Walang gaanong tao kasi late lunch na. Yan ang gusto ng anak ko. Walang gaanong tao. Ayun, may isa doon sa labas. Yung anak ko. Ayan ang yan ang Yoki. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Very unique, oh. Tapos yan, oh guys. So, ang ganda. So, ito yung restaurant. Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Good afternoon guys. This is Dancing Pillow Mama. Ang mga buzzer dyan, maano na kayo dyan, nandito na si Dancing Pillow Mama. Mga buzzer dyan, ibabas nyo ako para lalo akong sisikat. Joke, good vibes lang guys. Dito kami ngayon kakain sa River Bay. Ito siyempre si kaibigan ko, si Sis Lucy nandito. Mga buzzer dyan, ibabas nyo naman kami. O diba, o pareho kami yung naka-hoodie. Kasi ang ginaw, diba no? O, ginaw. O, hindi na naman to siya makatulog ngayong gabi na to. Flex ko lang kayo guys. Ayusin mo naman.
Oy, ang ganda nga eh, oh.
Dito na kami ngayon mag-order sa Samsung East. So, ano ang order mo? Seafood platters lang siya. Seafood platters.
Yung ano lang, yung one person lang.
Bakit ayaw niya kumain? So one person
Malaki yan. Mauubos mo yan.
Ibalik-ibalik ko na lang. Ako guys ay dito ako. Tingnan nyo yung mga seafood nila. Ayan, ha? Ako kukuha ako ng oyster. Tapos ayan ang fish. Ayan. Guys, yan ang ano. Yeah. Ito yung view ng Revy Bay. And that's our order. Oh. Whoa! Oyster sauce. I mean, oyster. Not oyster sauce.
No.
Oyster.
No, it's a soup. It's oyster.
Oyster. Sorry guys. Steven said hi.
Hello, hi.
Thank you, Steven. And yan, nagpipicture-picture na sila. Yan, mga restaurant pa rin yan dyan. Yan, ang turista namin. So guys, kumain na kami dito ngayon sa aming oyster. Sabi ko kanina, oyster sauce. Pero, it's just a mistake. Oyster. Okay guys? Yeah, I told them, our order oyster sauce is already here.
Hindi pa dumarating pagkain pala namin. Hindi naman na maglakad para magbilang sa pagkain. Sarap, no? Oo. Ay, meron na. Binigyan kita. O, ano yung binigyan mo? Ako na lang.
Ang sarap talaga guys. Oh. Ang oyster ay pang, alam nyo na this kung ang anong yung oyster.
Oyster sauce, lalo pa nilang binas dyan.
It's a mistake. Tao lang ako, sabi ko nga eh. Oyster, hindi oyster sauce.
She said oyster sauce.
Before I said oyster sauce. Is Steve right?
I don't know.
Yes, when I arrived.
Are they an oyster sauce?
No.
No.
Let's
Real
try.
oyster.
Didn't taste that to me.
You like it good?
I don't think they taste normal.
Yummy. Oyster is arpadillo.
Apro. Ano yun?
Para ibasa ko.
She's a maniac.
ito guys ay kak. Steve, this is cook.
Coca-Cola.
Yeah, but it's cook.
Not Coke.
Coke. It is no,
Coca-Cola.
it's cook.
Coke. I know what you're getting at.
Steve, where did you put the key? Because she is going home.
She has a key of her own.
She said no.
Oh, I gave her me one cup.
Hello?
Oh, thank
You
you.
don't eat it.
I put one here and another one coming up.
All right.
And keep one extra.
This is my hour.
Put them over there.
Yeah.
Like this one there.
Oh, you eat na first because you have not eaten yet.
Salt. Sa'yo yan.
It's a lot.
Para atin tong
Aphrodisiac pala yan
Not the
eh.
race hang further in.
Hindi ko kailangan yan. Wala akong pang aphrodisiac.
Pareho tayo. Ah,
Pareho.
ito. Aphrodisiac.
Mahala kayong dalawa dyan.
Ito, aphrodisiac. Ito ay fruits. Ito ay calamari.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ito ay fish. Kaya, please, ibas nyo na ako sa aking accent at saka sa aking English. Who care? I don't care. Steve, I don't care.
You don't care.
I don't.
Care what?
May basa. So guys, kakain na kami dito. Ah? Ito yung order ko. Oh. Diba? Sarap.
Yummy.
Ito yung breakfast ko, tanghalian ko.
Wow.
In all one. And may salad naman. Ang sarap. So guys, hindi ako, wala akong pakialam kung ibas ako nga nagkakamay.
I don't care.
Grabe ang hangin dito. Sige guys, dito na lang kasi kakain na ako.